Okay guys, so as for lately when I deep condition my hair, I usually buy the sample pack in order to save money. But usually I would buy the sample pack for this brand, ORS Replenishing Conditioner. So for the past couple of weeks I've been using this brand in a pack, but I decided to finally get the whole bottle. But today I want to try Cream of Nature argan oil. So I usually take a pack, and because the sample packs don't have a lot, in order to have enough conditioner to go over my full head, I like to dilute it with Tresemme moisturizing conditioner. And then to make the conditioner even a more intensive deep conditioner, I like to add oils. So I like to have olive oil. This is my extra virgin olive oil. And then I like to add castor oil, just a little bit, because castor oil is very heavy. And then I also like to add essential oils. So I like to add peppermint oil, and I like to add tea tree oil, and you can't read this, it's all messed up, and also jojoba oil. Then usually the only difference between a regular conditioner and a deep conditioner is the fact that there are penetrating properties, and usually what makes the conditioner well, Lord have mercy, sorry, I am jumbling my words. What makes the conditioner to be able to penetrate the strands more is usually just it has additional oils to it, basically. So from a lot of the different ingredients I've read on products, just from research that I've done. Now, hey, listen, I might be wrong, since I am not a licensed cosmetologist. I am not, just letting you know now. So please don't come in the comments saying, oh, that's not true, or deep conditioner is because of this, and this. Look, hey girl, you're right, I'm with you. But for me personally, what has been a difference is that deep conditioners have more penetrating Lord have mercy, they have more penetrating properties because they have more additional oils to it. Okay, so usually I'll put in the pack of the conditioner treatment, and then I'll dilute it with Tresemme so that I have actually enough to cover my whole head. And then I only put, I would say, I just do it by eye, but probably like 1-2 tablespoons of olive oil. And usually just adding the olive oil to me just boosts up the conditioner and makes a deep conditioner. Now this conditioner is already considered a deep conditioner. It's an intense conditioning treatment by Cream of Nature. But if you just have like, if I was really trying to save my money like that, if I just had Tresemme, then I would just add my oils, my olive oil, and bam, to me that would be a deep conditioner. So I'm just gonna put, I would say that's probably about 1 teaspoon of castor oil, because castor oil is very heavy, so I don't want to put a lot. For peppermint, I put usually 5 drops. 3, 4, 5. Tea tree, same situation. Usually put like around 5 drops. 3, 4, 5. Okay, and then jojoba oil. Yeah, the packaging is a little messed up, but it's okay. I'll put usually 5 drops on 1, 2, 3. And then essential oils are not necessary. It's just a little extra boost, and then I just mix it up. Yeah, and usually I use this cup for my conditioner. That's why it looks all bummy and messy. Okay, and that's it. So this is my deep conditioning concoction. There you go. Yeah, so I'll apply this to my hair, and then I just put on my shower cap, and I go under my hooded dryer for about 30 minutes tops, between 20 and 30 minutes, but usually I try to do 30 minutes. If it was really, it is the summertime, today I can do it. If it was like extremely hot, then I would just sit the conditioner in my hair for about an hour. But for today, I can be on the hooded dry. So yeah, this is my recipe. my recipe, but this is how I make my deep conditioner. So I hope you guys get some ideas of your own. Again, I am not a cosmetologist, I'm not licensed, so these are just my own experiences with this is my own personal opinions on my own experiences. So please see a professional if you need more help in figuring out what deep conditioner to do or how to even boost your conditioner for your hair. But this is what I do, and I hope you guys like it. I hope it's good insight, and I will see you in the next video. Okay, toodles.